today's video, I am going to be unboxing a new piece of fine jewelry from David Yurman. Hi, and either welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber. It is your girl Crayneg, and I am back today with another video, and it's actually a fine jewelry unboxing. If you watched my wish list video for 2021, I will link it up in the YouTube cards up above. You do know that one of the things that I said that I wanted to start investing in was more fine jewelry. I was introduced to David Yurman by my wonderful SA at Holt Rent-Through, and I fell in love with a couple of pieces. Now, in hopes of getting those for my birthday, I was told that I would get that along with the matching bracelet for my birthday. There was another piece as I'm trying to curate a stack that I was very interested in, and that's the piece that we're going to be unboxing today. Let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this item on camera for you guys. So it came in this black bag. You'll also see some footage as well from when I was at the store, and I picked this item up. I've actually had it for a while. It's been waiting for me to unbox. So this, I don't even really know what's in here, but definitely business card of the associate that gave me a hand, a little travel pouch, my receipt, some information on David Yurman, and then it looks like this is a cleaning cloth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put all this stuff away because you probably don't care about that. You wanna see what piece it is that I actually got. I'm gonna go ahead and just unbox this item on camera for you guys. So they packaged it up all nice with a double little bow for me, which is, you know, I always love packaging. I'm not good at putting these things back together though, but I do save all of my packaging. I need to find a new place at the new house. I will be doing a moving vlog plus decorating vlog because I have things in store for the new place. But this is my new David Yurman cable knit bracelet with the black onyx and the diamonds at the top. So I did do it in the 3mm size, which is the thinner size. I just felt like it fit my personal aesthetic a little bit better. I didn't like the chunkiness, and I don't want it to overpower some of the other pieces that I plan on getting in the future. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I will show you guys. So here is the piece. I just have it on today with my Apple Watch. I thought it was very dainty, but yet super nice, fit my personal aesthetic with the diamonds and the black onyx. And I felt like no matter what, silver is always my color. I like silver. For those of you that have been following along on my channel, then you know that my preference on bags is silver hardware. Like I have silver necklaces on today. My Apple Watch band is silver, and I have the silver face as well on that watch. So I do plan on upgrading my watch, hopefully for my birthday, but we'll see what ends up happening. This bracelet is a part of the cable collection. It is a bangle. Like I said, it is the 3mm size. This bracelet does come with or without the diamonds around the ends of the cabling, and also comes in a variety of different stones as well. One of the other ones that I've been having my eye on to match the pearls that I'm interested in from David Yurman would be this exact same bracelet in the 3mm size again, but with the pearls on the end. I plan on breaking that stack up with a couple of different bracelets. You'll see, I don't want to put it out there yet because I'm not sure which items I'm going to be getting to kind of break that stack up, but I do want to have some arm candy. I haven't worn jewelry for years. I recently just started wearing my pearl earrings, which I wear all the time. hence the reason why I'm interested in the David Yurman pearls, because I feel like I can then switch it up a little bit. But yeah, I want to start to create a jewelry stack for myself. So comment down below and let me know what you would add to a jewelry stack, or some suggestions, because I am just getting started. I have been looking at some Tiffany items, some Cartier items, some items from Rolex as well, potentially, not too sure. Looking to curate a stack, as well as some of like Anne Louise and things like that online, as well as, I don't think it all has to be like super high-end jewelry to create a beautiful stack, but I am definitely super happy with this bracelet here. The cable knitting is like my style. I like the black onyx, and of course, who doesn't love a little bit of diamonds? Now, outside of just this bracelet, it does come in a variety of different sizes, thicknesses, combination, gold, silver. Of course, the gold is a little bit more expensive, but you can curate a full David Yurman stack, and I have seen some beautiful full David Yurman stacks. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video today. If you haven't already, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. It does really help out my channel. Don't forget, if you are a lover of everything luxurious, whether that is fashion, beauty, or just a little bit of luxury inside of your lifestyle, then you definitely want to join the fam. Until next time.